Hi Blazers, welcome to today's video tutorial. I'm going to show you where the Chromecast option has gone since the new Google Chrome update. So same thing, you've got to go to your three dots and usually it sits here somewhere, but it's actually hiding. You've got to go to save and share and then it's sitting here. Click cast, choose the place that you want to share it to. And then from there, I can just stop that one. And then what you can do is change your source and choose cast tab or screen. So I will do screen and then choose my TV. And then you've got the options there. After that, that's basically where it's hiding. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more video tutorials like this. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.